How to use bot for trading in Binance, how I earn so much of money using bot trading. So I'll explain every step regarding how to set up this bot in this video. So stay tuned throughout the video and don't miss the any step of this video. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Before that, if you have not watched our previous videos, then go and watch our previous videos and also subscribe to our channel and hit a bell icon to get notification of further upcoming videos. So guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to explain how to set up the bot. So you guys are watching online word YouTube channel, myself Pava, and let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see here, this is wallet option here, so you just need to click on this wallet. In my previous video I also explained that in order to do bot trading you just need a balance in a future wallet. So I also explain how to transfer the balance from spot or P2P to this future wallet. Once after they transfer the amount to this future wallet, so you can set up your bot. So I'll explain step by step, so go through the step by step. So the first step is you just click on this feature option at the down here. So as you can see here, feature option, you just click on this feature option. Once after that, second step is you need to select one of the coin which is very stable. That means it should be trade within a selected limits. Like if you are selecting lower limit as a 15 rupees, then upper limit as a 20 rupees, then this coin must be a trade between these two price with at least 2 to 3 days. Okay, so then only you can choose that particular coin. So I'm choosing here Dogecoin because I'm continuously watching this coin from last 2 days. It was trading around 18 rupees to 20 rupees. So this is the margin, lower margin and upper margin. So it is trading in between these two prices like 18 rupees and 20 rupees, so that I can easily choose this coin for the bot trading. So don't choose the coin which is more volatile. More volatile means if the coin is going upward trending or downward trending, it should be trade between a selected price. That should be volatile within a selected price, not upper or lower the selected price. Okay, so I'm selecting Dogecoin. So simple thing is that you should select a coin which is trade between a selected prices. So Doge is nowadays Doge is trading between 18 rupees to 20 rupees. So that I have selected this Dogecoin. So once after the selection of coin, third important point is that so you just click on this particular three icons here, so three dots here. So once after that you will get options called history, free rate, trading rules, FAQ, trading data, and like that you will get a lot of options here. You just need to concentrate on this grid trading. This is nothing but a bot trading. Okay, so I'll just click on this grid trading. Once after that you are going to enter the Binance future option. So this is called bot trading interface. Okay, so I have selected a Dogecoin. So you can also select some other coins like Atom, Theta, but I'm not recommending any coins. You can do your own research. So I have given a point that it should be trade within a lower margin and upper margin what I have selected. So this is about second or third point. So once after click on that grid trading, you will get into these features. Once after that you need to click on this create option here. So fourth point is that you just click on this create option here. So once after that you will get almost 8 to 9 options here. So I'll explain one by one, so stay tuned throughout the video, so don't skip the video. So if you skip any of this feature, then you are going to lose the amount. So there will be first option called neutral, long and short. You should select any one of these particular options in order to do bot trade. What I usually do is I usually choose neutral because long is chosen only when coin is going upward. That means coin is going to be increased very massively. So and short is used only when market is down or market is in red color. So neutral is like it is used when the coin is trading between our selected margins. So I'm recommending you to use always neutral because you are not going to lose. If any loss occurs, then loss will be very less. Okay, so I usually choose neutral option here. Then we will have here cross and isolated option here. So cross means cross option means the bot is going to use complete 100% of your what we call investment here. Isolated means it is going to be use certain amount of uh, what we called amount. So you have given every explanation here, you can also read it, but my recommend is used to isolated here. So I use isolated here. So you can also use cross, no need to worry, because bot is going to be close your orders at the stop loss. So I usually use isolated, but cross is better. Okay, so if you are using a less amount like $20 or $30, then use cross here. So you will have a adjust leverage. Leverage means if you using $20, then you should select leverage like 10x, 20x, or even you can use 5x. So what actually this leverage means, if you use a 20x, then bot is going to be used 20 into $20. That means $400. I usually use 20x here. So if I use 20x, then bot is going to be use $20 into $20. That is $400 is going to be used by the bot for the trading. Then we have options called arithmetic and geometric. It is very simple. Arithmetic means, as I said in my previous video, there will be grids like this. So arithmetic means there will be price difference between these two grids is equal. Okay, so if there is a price difference between first grade and two grade is 0.5 paisa, then there will be equal price difference between each grade. Then geometric means there will be equal ratio of price difference between these two grids. So this is about arithmetic and geometric. I usually use the geometric because there will be equal ratio, means there will be equal profit in the every grid. So what is lower price and upper price? I usually use upper price and lower price. When I choose the coin, like DOGE, as I said before, it is going to be trade between this particular price of 18 rupees to 20 rupees within last 2 to 3 days. So that I use lower price as a 0.025, almost it is around 18 point something rupees, and upper price is 0.27, like that. I can use upper limit and lower limit. That is in this price range, the coin is going to be trade. So that you should select the price like this, or I can choose 0.3 also here. So once after that, you should select the grids. Grids means in this particular 0.25, and this is 0.25, and this is 0.3, and in between you should select how many grids you want. Like if you want 5 grids, then you should select 5 numbers, then number of grids will be 5 in between these two price range. Okay, so I'll select here almost 30, or I can select a 52. So how many more grids you use, then your price or your profit is going to be more. So I usually use 60 to 70 grids with investment of $20. So this is about grids. And next, here it will show available USDT. Okay, so if you have a 20 USDT, then it's going to be show here 20 USDT. So once after that, you should select the margin here. So you should confirm the bot to whether it is used 100% or 50%. Now I have a very less USDT, so that it is not going to be select. So if you have 20 USDT, then go to select 80% or 90%. Okay, whatever you want. I usually use 80 to 90%. Once after that, you should have a additional options here. So you can choose or you can leave it, but usually I used to choose the stop loss here. So stop loss, stop price, and stop bottom price. I usually not going to use this SL top price. I usually use SL bottom price. If the price is going to be down, then automatically our bot is going to be stop the all orders. So I usually use when I was using this lower limit as a 0.25, then I use 0.249 as a SL bottom price. That means whenever the price of this Dogecoin is going to be less than this 0.0249, then all my orders are going to be cancelled, and I am not going to be lose anymore here. So I'll use to select all the cancel orders and stop orders. Then you should click on this create option. Then your bot is going to be ready for the trade. So I'm not having much amount here, so I can't create here. So I'll show my previous bots which I was set up, and how I got profit here. So this is all about how to set up the bot. And now I just show my previous history. That means how I used to with these bots. So as you can see here, one of the bot on this coin CHR USDT, so it was made around 3.49 USDT profit within 19 hours. As you can see here, it is also shows 19 hours of time duration. It was made around 3.49 USDT. This is not a small matter, because I only use $19 as a investment. So $19 means almost 25% of profit I got here. $3.46 means around 300 rupees, right? So this is one of my first profit. Then this is, I usually cancelled within 1 minute because of the some errors. So once after that, another bot here, again the same coin CHR USDT. So it has also made $2.25 within 13 hours. Okay, so as you can see here, within 13 hours, 19 hours, within a single day, it will make around $2 to $3 profit with this 20 USDT. If you invest 100 USDT, then automatically your income or profit will also more. And again, one of my bot which is also on CHR USDT, which is also made around 1.03 USDT within 8 hours. So it was expired because of the price may be reduced to stop loss. Okay, so that bot is going to be cancelled here. So again another CHR USDT. So it is also, as you can see here, I usually use neutral, as I said previously. So initial margin I used to invest on $25, and I got a profit of $3.56 within 19 hours here. And it is also got expired because of price maybe touches to the stop loss prices. So as you can also see here, the date 21th June. So another one, it has got $0.6 within 3 hours. Like that, I use many of the bots here. So $0.28 within 57 minutes, and I got cancelled because I need to do some more trades with some more coins. So I usually use here those $0.16 within 25 minutes, and I got cancelled. Like that, we can use many of the coins and many bots, so that we will have a very huge profit on this bot trading. So if you don't have much knowledge, then just go and practice. Don't invest a large amount, just invest $20 or $15. Then just make a trial. Then once you got complete knowledge on this bot trading, then you can easily use to make the trade with these bots and to have profits. So if you have any doubts, then go and leave your comment in the comment section, or you can come to the Instagram where I can clarify your doubts. And also you can join our Telegram channel, link is given in the description, where I will suggest many coins for the trading, spot trading, margin trading and bot trading also. So guys, this is all about how to set up the bot, and I will back with a new video with a new information. Until then, keep earning with the safe trading.